Well, that is the Columbia River. We are headed to the other side, which means we're going to Washington State. So as you know by now, I have been doing a whole lot of vehicle swapping and reorganizing in the company. And there's one more change, pretty big change, I've been thinking of for quite a while. And while cruising Facebook Marketplace last night, I saw the opportunity to make that change happen. So we are heading up to Roy, Washington, just south of Tacoma and Seattle and all that, to go check out what is hopefully going to be our new off-road recovery rig. Now I know what you're thinking. Why do you need another off-road recovery rig when you just put tracks on the Jeep? Well, it's easy. 2 Jeeps is better than 1. But in all reality, if I buy this, I'll be selling the Cherokee. Take the tracks off of it first, of course, and put them on this new one. But I'll be selling the Cherokee and replacing it with this. This truck here, this Ram, took the place of my tow truck to do longer hauling, heavier hauling with the gooseneck, still be able to tow, and just be a much more versatile truck as well as my daily driver. My silver Dodge is going to get the bed pulled off of it and be the heavier off-road winch rig once I build the record type bed for the back of it. For stuff like that motorhome buried in the riverbed and bigger things that are really too big for the Jeep. I mean, the Jeep will do them, but not as efficiently or as well as a much bigger 3/4 ton truck. It'll just sit better, it'll anchor better, it'll pull harder, it's a stronger chassis to work from. So the Dodge is going to take that role and still be able to go off-road. Of course, when you get deeper off-road, the Dodge can't go off-road anywhere near as good as the Jeep can. But the Jeep is kind of an in-between. That Cherokee is good for the bit bigger stuff as well as being able to go pretty good off-road. But it's not exactly lightweight either for getting into some real serious off-road stuff. At least my Cherokee isn't. It's a good kind of all-around vehicle, not a hardcore wheeler rig. So if I've got the Dodge for the bigger stuff, I need something for the lighter stuff. And I'm talking way lighter to get into some much more hardcore off-road trails, throw the tracks on and stay on top of that powder snow even better than the Cherokee would. So we're gonna go look at this one. It should fit that bill pretty good, and if so, we'll buy it and we'll drag it home with us. So let's get up here and check it out. Okay, we are in Roy, Washington, trying to find this place. It is definitely green here, and it's been just sprinkle raining the entire time I've been in Washington pretty much.
Take the next left onto 72nd Avenue South.
I guess we take this left. Well, there it is. Let's go check it out. We got fuel, and I forgot to film it, but trust me, my bank account says we got fuel. But more importantly, here it is. This is a 1948 Willys CJ2A. It has a, it's very noisy. It has a small block 350 V8 in it, SM 420 transmission, Dana 20 transfer case, Dana 44s out of a J10. They're the 6-lug bigger Dana 44s. Beadlock wheels on 36-inch tires, and it should be a lot of fun. This is going to fill a good gap that is in the super small lightweight category that my Cherokee doesn't quite fit into. It's still got a bit of weight to it for the super small stuff. This is a much better off-road rig when you get into real off-roading. The Dodge is going to be the heavier winching type of vehicle. This is going to be the deeper off-road type of vehicle. And yes, the tracks will go on it, and they're going to go on it as soon as I get the adapters to bolt them on. But I mean, you guys probably want to check it out. It's got a full cage, extended frame on the back so I can mount a rear winch back here, extended wheelbase, and it does have doors and sides and a back for it, all soft, not a hard top. But this is going to be the new off-road recovery rig. So yes, that means the Cherokee is going to be for sale. Between this and the Dodge, I'm going to have a way broader range covered than I would with just the Cherokee. So Cherokee's going to be for sale as soon as I pull the tracks back off of it, or if you want to pay enough, I'll leave them on it. And this is going to get all done up and ready for some snow time fun. And now we just got to drag it about 300 miles home. And that 300 miles on Collins Dollies is no problem at all. So let's get headed home. Next video you see, we'll have probably a walk around of this, and we'll go over it all really good and what it is and what it's got and what I want to do to it. So until then, we will see you guys next time.